Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar and to a beautiful song from Niall Horan. It's called Dress, and we had Niall here before on this channel multiple times. Songs like Nice to Meet You was one of the more recent here uploads on Growing Guitar. On a Night Like Tonight, I believe, is one title as well, and many others. So if you're a fan of him, check out this playlist from Niall Horan here on Goring Guitar. Now let's focus on the Dress. And we're going to use a capo on first fret to handle this one. That's the absolute best scenario for us. Let's go into the chords like we usually do. And we're going to start with the G. Okay, so G goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have E minor next. That will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the C add 9. It's a version of C, and that goes third A, second D, open G, third B, and third E. And then we have the A minor. That will be open A, second D, second G, first B, open E. And we also have the GB chord. And that goes second A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. And finally we have the D. And that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. Now let's learn the strumming. It's very simple. If you grab the first chord G, it goes down, down, up, down. Okay, so down, down, up, down. And in a context. Okay. So we're ready for the actual song, and we're gonna start for the first verse here, and you're gonna play G 4 string rounds, E minor 4, C add 9 4, and back to G4. So both starts and ends on the G chord. 4 string rounds per chord. You're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds. One round goes like this. Okay, 2 rounds of that, and that's the first verse. Into the first pre-chorus, but I'm holding on. We're about 38 seconds in. Now we have a little bit different of strumming here. This is the spot when it differs. Otherwise, it's pretty much straightforward in the song. But here we're gonna play A minor. First one down, and a short pause, and then 3 downs. Okay, so down. Down, down, down. Then you shift to the GB and play 1 string round. Down, down, up, down. And then the C add 1 down plus a pause. And that pause builds up for the chorus. So with that said, you're only going to play this 1 chord progression round of this A minor, GB, and C add. I'm going to play it for you so you understand how it goes. So let's go. And there starts the chorus. All right, so that's the timing. Now, speaking of chorus, maybe it's time. That's where we are in the lyrics, 45 seconds in. And you're going to play first the C add 1, G1, E minor 1, and D4. That portion you're going to play for 2 rounds. We can start with that. So that's the first half of this song, or sorry, this chorus. So it goes... Then continues with A minor 1, the GB 1, and C add 2. And that portion you're going to play for 2 rounds. So A minor 1, GB 1, C add 2. And then you're going to end off with this C add 1, G1, E minor 1, and D4 for 1 last round. And that's the end of the first course. So just to summarize it, it's about 4 rounds, or actually 5 rounds in total. The first 2 rounds is the C add, G, E minor, and D4. And then you're gonna play the A minor 1, G, B1, and C add 2 for 2 rounds. And then the 5th and final round, you'll end in the same way as you started with C add, G, E minor, and D4. Okay, after that follows an instrumental part where you're gonna play again C1, G1, E minor 1, and D4 for 1 round. So that is the first turn of it. We're going to go into the second round of everything now. It's just repetition when it comes to the verse. You're going to play that exactly in the same way. The same goes with the second pre-chorus and even the second chorus. So no changes there. After that second chorus, you're going to play the instrumental part. And you played only once before when it was C1, G1, E minor 1, and D4. Only for 1 round before. Now you're going to play for 4 rounds, okay? 4 rounds, and after that follows the outro part. We're now about 2 minutes and 49 seconds in. I know you know that's where we are in the lyric, and what you're gonna do here is to play 1 chorus, you can say. So 1 chorus, and then after that you're gonna end with C, G, E minor, D, 1 down per chord, and that's it. Okay, so after you finish this, you have finished a song from Niall Horan called Dress. A nice song, uplifting, only 6 chords, not too many. And with K-pop first, they are as easy as they can be. So hope you will enjoy this, and good luck with this one. Till next time, play tuned.